Oh.
So, me just want to get it clear, right?
Yeah.
That me I tell you now. Don't do that.
Hold on, let me start it
Meka
back.
have nothing. Yeah? That me I tell you now. Don't do that. Me and Meka have nothing. You see me I run 7 career? Senseless.
That's the only part I need to
Yo, me like when girl.
That's the only part I need to create. So, you call Meka 7 career and Meka a DoorDash. The last time you talk, you tell people, say, I be your old clothes she wear, what that she have on. You understand me? And you continue just at this way, and a drag we down. No matter what, bro, I'm a whole out. I mean, I watch you. Jayden,
Well,
what the fuck would
Well, Annie,
anybody come on you?
Well, Annie, who first call her DoorDash?
So what the fuck that have to do with you? What have to do with you make you go call Meka 7 career?
Are your own family call her, so you're not a joke, you know?
What kind of joke you can run pan that, Jayden? You run jokes that she never have no clothes, all clothes she have on.
Anything, bro.
When fuck you talk about run joke about anything? When you come on to me bumbo clad pitney brother, you can't fuck with me youth. What the fuck you talk about my youth?
Annie, I remember say your own family call her DoorDash, you know? You see it? And your own family call her DoorDash, you know?
Oh, so you want to use that? You want to use
Me
that?
not use that pan,
You
bro.
want to use that for your fucking amuse?
Me not use that as no, bro. Watch you know, Annie. Me not use that as no. Your own family call her DoorDash.
You put it on a bumbo clad family, Jayden. You're a big
family started?
blood clot boy. I
don't understand, bro.
Tell you. What you talking about?
Watch you know, Annie. If we have a conversation, we have a conversation.
Bro,
Like, watch you know.
Jayden, you do it for a long fucking time, you know, my youth.
What me a do what? What you ball for, Annie?
Me a ball? Looking at my face now and see if me a blood clot ball.
Okay, watch you know. We have a civilized conversation. Okay, right? We can have a civilized conversation.
Make we have it.
Okay. Me run a little joke. If you don't like it, you don't tell me something you don't like it, bro. Simple as that, bro. Cause me first start it, bro.
Oh, so because Anna style her sister.
Watch you know, Annie. If I did me first start it, would I understand, bro. But I know me first start now, bro. I your own family start your own. So I call her DoorDash, bro.
Jayden.
If I did me first start, would I understand, bro.
Jayden, me tell you something. You want to go pussy. I that me a blood clot tell you.
Yeah, no problem. No
you know,
problem.
say you make her sister styler. And you
no
make her
problem.
blood clot sister styler. Jabas.
I want.
Ma ask you a question. Play back a video. Jayden, right? They pan live. And Jayden I go style Meka as 7 career. You understand me? From our sister styler because she go around Jayden. Our sister did make a talk about say if Meka DoorDash she go around Jayden. Jayden use all of these things and come pan live. Jayden go on live and all the talk say, oh, Meka be all clothes, Meka wear. You understand me? Continue to drag down Meka boo. Play back a video, make Jabba see. Why you listen to that video? Listen to that video.
Yo, watch you know. Me done, watch you know. Let me tell you. Me run joke about everybody. TJ could have come out and diss me. Everybody could have come out and diss me, bro. All them now diss me, bro. Cause them know what joke me I make, bro. Member say I feed them family first started, you know, bro. You see it? I feed them family, and I like say me make up nothing, you know, bro. I feed them bumbo clap family started, you know. Remember that, you know, bro. I'm my style up, bro. I'm tune the dog. Me this enough for true. This enough for true, bro.
Just so big to one day on the live. We not going to do it on WhatsApp.
Me not do it on WhatsApp with Jayden. Right there, Jayden come out. Jayden go on live and tell people say, oh, I'll be all close Meka have a rate. You get me? Everything come back to us, Meka. Why Jayden don't go on live and I say, if you look like him, I run 7 career.
So what if you take serious?
1 year 7 career.
What if you take serious, bro?
1 year 7.
Why you not call your daughter? Why you not call your daughter and ask her why she has style your own daughter like that? Why you not call her and tell her that, Annie? And me first start it, bro. And I like say me first come by so and call her DoorDash, bro. And not me.
I want him DoorDash Jayden. One name DoorDash.
Bro, Annie come pan yaso. No, Anna come pan yaso. And say Meka DoorDash. You see it?
And you repeat what she said.
Bro, and me said not joke. Jabas, remember me no man, yo. Remember me no dog. I want to hear, brother.
I want you see your talk about. I want you see your talk about, bro.
Jabas. Me say, this is not 7 crane. Then Jabas, look on the joke and me run with you, brother, with Wagwan what day. You cuss me all now, bro.
No, sir. Bad man.
Not so me tan, man. Not so me tan, bro.
Oh, God almighty.
Up till now, Jabas no come to me and say, yo, Jayden, no run them joke there, bro. Up till now. Someone know what she say, bro. Annie need to go talk to her bumbuckler daughter when name Annie or Anna. We fucking start that DoorDash thing there, bro. You see? Anna me
so
come to that, bro.
DoorDash no one delivery service or deliver food and something.
Yeah.
Oh, God almighty.
And then y'all come for live. Y'all come for live and ball. We are ball for, bro. And your own family I bring her done, bro. Your own family staff bring her done, bro. Auntie, bro. Me no mean nothing. Watch her now. Me no mean nothing.
If Anna say first and Jayden make a joke out of it, me not go sit around with that. Because if Jayden make a content out there that make a joke out of it, away family first say, bro.
Yo, Jabas, and I like say, bro, would have wrong, what tell her, bro, would have take me wrong if I did me first bring it up, bro. If I did me,
family or no family, I never him first start talk about it, bro. You see me? So you can't something else. But they don't like it, Jayden. Love you and talk bad, man. I love them, bro.
So why Annie never call me and tell me so she not like?
On phone, bro. On phone.
Annie never want them thing upon live, bro. When I time I text Annie gone upon live, bro. Annie love views, bro.
Bro, not too biased in the comment section because if somebody come and say something about me, other content creator run with it. I know them first because say a different content creator run with it, bro. So how Jayden make much sitting about me and me not have him up, bro. I'm telling you, bro. And everybody can run jokes to Jayden. Say I just low. You see me? Yes, say they can run jokes low them, bro. Me not go pick no side or nothing, bro. Everybody there where they make content of a people mix up on ya. When they say me grew up and they say this, everybody make content about me, bro. Say if a sister come and say, call the DoorDash and somebody else run, look a joke about the DoorDash, bro. I know, that's nothing, bro. Bro, no can't thin skin on the media, you know, bro. Everybody get trolling, bro. Nobody no bigger than getting trolling, you know. And nobody no bigger than getting trolling, bro. If you feel like you don't want to get trolling, bro, come off. You get me? I say, bro, I'm not going to tell him, say, him wrong because I know him started. If I him, they just come out of the blues and start him and I say, yo, Jayden, that type of fucker, they don't like you. But I know him started, bro. I know him started, the truth is just the truth. But no, your sister, they don't like you, Jayden, just stop, bro. You see me? You're going to mention nothing about you again. Yeah, life over there. You see me? You see me? I hope a little thing with them like, so just love them, bro. But I'm not going to pick no side or cuss or nothing, bro. You see me? Deep the truth from here. You see me, bro? I saw that thing they got, bro. John know that. Yo, what's that?
Yeah, nice. Your brother Ziggy, if you link me, can have it, just a brother, me have a box, man, everything, me tell the man, say, yo, I know your brother.
Yeah, but you know, I'm making link to my pan live, I'm not too much chat certain thing. I'm making link, yeah? Yeah, sure.
Yo, just tell me Alex, brother. Yeah, me ask him. I've been thinking them and I want to make everything. Me have a brand new mixer, right?
I'll tell you to link up, bro.
Everything, brother. And show me know say you me say I want to make the thing official.
I'm not feeling link up, man. I just
mixer, brother, on a big man level, brother. I want 200,000 brand new mixer me have right now. I say me have a bus.
When I have to learn to come out that,
so
I'm making link to my chat, brother.
Just tell him to link me up, brother.
Alright. When I come out that people business, bro. No come out that family business like marriage. I try show no. Say, you don't understand certain things. No love. Take up people problem on the brain too much. Yo, I don't love take up people problem on the brain too much, brother. We come out tight alone, man. You see me? Bro, I'm not gonna tell him saying wrong because I never him first come out and say.
What's wrong with you?
We are call me for you.
No one PP.
Yeah, if you come in, it's excitement. Find you know, one bag of people in the and pictures, you know, you can't manage that.
No picture right now. I'm just one PP.
You know that go.
On the PP so bad.
So you can't. I never him come back off. I never him first go say it. So if something come out and he run with it, that's fine. I'm not busy with nothing. I do that shit me I talk about. Do that shit I talk about. I'm not buy a business.
Come here now.
What? Oh, hide and
I talking truth then, Jabba.
hide and right.
At least be honest then.
Talk.
Because the people that
known.
talk.
Hold on, me a do something. Hold on, bro.
If you know. If you know.
You know if you know nothing, you
It's
don't know if
supposed,
people them they don't want to keep it a secret, but
So who
if you
talk?
keep a secret,
Who talk?
if-
Who talk?
Meka dey on a level cry like a while and
talk.
yeah, people them a come and say Meka say man.
Why go on, baby? So then
Say
there's
Meka
no.
say two of them fuck. But me I say, if them a have sex and them a say certain things, she a go feel one way, you know. Come on, she a human being, babe.
For me, got that.
That they say.
Shadow.
You know, the people them
We never know about that. We never know about that.
So hold on,
Never know about
wait. So hold on,
We never know about that.
wait.
First goes to me.
But wait. How long that put on?
How long we put down?
How long all of that put on? That put on long time. That put on long time.
I can just build no man.
Bro, when I did for school, Alex, I'm like, bro, I change to do it for different talking, you know, bro.
Bro, me and Meka
Who that is,
don't do
brother?
What kind of line out there?
Somebody go fuck off from my youth.
Meka, bro. Me and Meka don't do nothing.
You think me I go back and line there again? Me see message, you know. You think me
Me
don't
and
see
do
it?
nothing, bro. Me and her did nothing. We did nothing, bro.
So we don't understand. What happened
I
between
was gonna buy one big deal, you know, youth.
Okay,
I
so
feel like
You go buy fear last time.
ask Jayden, right?
Last year, man.
Bro, me and Meka don't do nothing.
Ask Jayden, so if my Meka in and why
Always the same line as
always
that.
be a problem when feelings that we get involved?
Brother,
Yes, sir.
a line you're going about, man. How long the chicken ready, brother?
Buy fear, yeah?
Chicken ready long time, bro. A line you're going
Me
about.
and Meka did nothing, bro.
But never pack it, just stop pack it. Pack it.
What long time?
You can't come, man.
All right.
You know, they're working, man. Can't come, man.
And Meka said so hold on. So woman start like that would know.
Bro,
So what am I saying? Jayden,
Remember you honest there.
And you upset with you
Auntie.
oh, and if you're upset with me?
because it look like you put Jayden
Me
side.
Me not
and
pick
Meka
no
didn't
blood
have
clot
nothing.
side. Me simple say, when me a talk about is the door dash argument, you know. Me not busy about no others argument. All the thing me a talk about is the door dash. Seven career. That me a talk about, the door dash argument me a talk about. Me not busy about nothing else. I'm saying the door dash argument is that Jayden first come up with it. So that not be a problem. And it's just the truth. Anybody say me pick side man, go suck on no mama man. Pick side the what? Say me fuck man, go near more to no mama man. See a seven go suck on no mama man. Seven crave like delivery, deliver food and them stuff with them.
And Jayden said that.
Anna first come out and talk say his sister do that. And he might run back to
That is the same thing. It's like you only call her order food when you're hungry. So it's and something we use all the time. It's a no one damn thing. So basically another
Who first said?
Media say Meka is a no
Who
one
first
thing.
said? Who first said?
Anna.
Alright, so if you come back around joke about it, I know if you get blamed. So you can have
You not forget
you can have cost the sister where they do it. And it's just a fucking truth. Who want vex? Who want vex, bro? Cost the sister first.
God have mercy. No, wait. We never realized that we're on the line. First of all, let me tell you this. I don't even know one at
Yo, first of all, me tell Meka already. Me and you cannot date because the family is going to in our business. And look at this. They are in our business and we are not even dating.
I'm up on the line before. I'm alright. Wait food, I'm hungry.
All I am simply saying is that I don't give a
She said, Uno did that. And she alone did that. Me not never there.
Me not go run in for that.
Put me in a it for Anna send me this. When me have to do with this, time me not look at me no want to get blood clot mad, you know. Cause long time me no cuss for fucking me there.
Calm down yourself, girl.
Me no want them mix me.
You calm down, calm down.
Me calm, but me no want them mix
Stop
me.
the cursing now.
Guys, I didn't get nothing. No front, nothing. I didn't get nothing.
Right now, I want PP, you know. What the hell, man, up on the live look while? It never strong as fuck. But what? Me say nothing bad just now?
I'm a change man, and I don't want this drama. I get nothing.
Woman, I heat making cuss now, bro. We are going to cuss with him too.
Me not cuss her, but
Make
me
she
just
stay in her
want to say
heat,
me
bro.
never say nothing bad.
She not heat, me not cuss with her, bro. But me just have to
not
hold on
cuss
to what
with her
me
either.
say. Me say, me not going to come out go cuss Jayden if me never come out go cuss who this started.
And me say, if Jayden knows that him and her have, if Jayden knows that him and the girl fuck in up his sister.
You and the girl don't do nothing.
And that me say, me never say nothing bad, me I pick up for any them.
But me and the girl
That
don't
you
do
know say
nothing.
right. Yes, but if you know say you fuck me, can
Me and her did
or
nothing.
7-pack or whatever the fuck you say.
We did nothing. Why would she come up and say that?
I'm busy about it, you know. Me just know, say me got to talk about this other part. And I'm going to put on the screen. I'm going to say to me, I'm going to say, me put this is up on my chest. Me say, me say, hi baby. Me say they enough company media with it. Then should have got a phone call.
Hold on.
hold on.
Annie never,
Say,
yo, hold
Annie cuss me,
on.
bro.
Annie never cuss Anna. Guys, when Anna said that, Annie never cuss Anna. Knock. So the fuck she want cuss me? Oh, the fuck she want cuss me? Oh, the fuck you want cuss me? She say a joke and I make. So I joke me I make. Me don't know how you know she said. Me tapping nice. Come like you don't know when man no want to you know. Cause something really wrong with it. I couldn't know when man no want to know. You come like you no blind. You don't know when man no want to know. Me tapping nice.
This is how we don't care, bro. We don't want you to look at it, bro. Because we're not going to see nobody over here start arguing with nobody, bro. You hear that, bro? We are a bigger one. You see me? We are the bigger one. So I don't want to hear nothing from none about who are cuss, who are cuss. We don't want to hear anything. You see me? And me I say, no go on WhatsApp, go hold no reasoning about it, bro. Everything you know crap on the media come and cuss and in no anger and no start cussing no friend them and then we don't know no sorry about it. She's a mother, she not go like for no for I say boy done. But I know first the call and that talk and done is how you come up now. Jayden.
Let me tell you how you come up. How you come up
Because that talk and done a long time. How you come back up now so you cuss over it,
when Bumbucklat and Anna said, Meka never Bumbucklat ball. Let me tell you, me unfollow Meka and Meka start rascal ball on the line. And I come use Bumbucklat and I come use Bumbucklat DoorDash for as Bumbucklat excuse. Bumbucklat do no man. Don't come try using a local rat brain for me. I want to know. I mean, I want this in you know. I mean, I tell you the truth, I want this in you. Because I still have respect for you. Yeah? Now come bumbo clock go on like say. You know come bumbo clock go on like say. A bumbo clock something that. I come go on like say a video make no bumbo clock a ball. Don't come use no bumbo clock brain for me, bro. I'm still not disrespect on you know youth. Come and still have respect for you know. I don't give a fuck about riddance. Don't come use no mind game, yes, so. What I'm telling you. So, hold on. Me call you, hold on. So, me call your door, so me run a joke and call your DoorDash. That means every company media and talk about so we fuck. And we no fuck. Me and her no fuck. Me don't tell her already, you know. Me tell her already to her face, you know. Me and you not gonna date because your family's gonna get your family's gonna end my relationship. Me don't tell her that already, bro. Now come go like a me, you know come go like a me for Scott. When Anna did call her DoorDash, she ball. When her own family call her DoorDash, she ball. When your own blood can call your bumbuckler DoorDash, you ball. So the fuck you want ball when me run look a joke? Don't bumbuckler use no style up yourself, you know. Me don't want to use no style or no craft by me, you know. Come here always one separate, you know. You can't use no brain palm, bro. I'm still not this one. Cause if you don't want me talk for true, you know. If you know me talk for true. But because I'm a change man, more loud that alone. When me there at the bumbuckler party, Mama keep on a push up herself for me. And me keep on a move. Me keep on a move. I want that time Mama kiss her for me. And me a move. I want to chat. Hey, no, me bumbuckler talk, you know. Don't make me bumbuckler talk. And I call me have respect for Annie, you know. You see it. No matter what Annie say about me, I mean not give a fuck what Annie want to say about me. I still got respect for you, know. You like me. So if you like me, I mean I like you. If you love me, I mean I love you. Me no want to talk, you know. Me no want to talk. Don't me talk. Because if you don't keep on put me in a position where I have to defend myself, I go have to talk. Put me in a position, bro, where I have to defend myself, bro. Oh, this reach. That's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm telling you, you know, youth. That's what I'm telling you, mama. No. I'm not going to deal with you. Because your family go in our business. Me don't see this from a mile away. Me see this 10 miles away. You see it? Me see this 10 miles away, bro. You see it? Me see this 10 miles away, bro. You see me I say? You don't understand. Oh. your own blood can call your door dash. And when me said, yeah, you style. And a ball, bro. Yeah, a ball for. Fabi, what are you talking about? What them say about Fabi? What she say about Fabi? What she say? 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 She said, because of Fabi, you make she lie about there with me. What? I chose Fabi over her. But you can't want to try putting you can't want to try putting a foot in another part there, you mad? Only if you want to put a foot in another part there. I can't want to do that, man. You know, so when I mix up, she go to leave a Caan on him. I'm still, bro. I don't want to have nothing with Annie them, bro. I swear. Me still respect Annie, bro. You see it. All of this I could have done on a phone call, bro. You see it. You say you not like something, bro. You as a big woman, bro, you call me youth. You call me, bro. Call me youth. And then now go do that. And then now go do that. And then now go do that, youth. Tell me how to do that.
You're a little pussy. You do anything to get blood clot views. You don't care who you want jacked down. And that me I tell you. You don't rate nobody. Seven Cray. I say you style me youth. And next me and you feel laugh up and kick. Hey, I'm a friend, yeah, friend. Man, move your bumbo clot and go from yourself.
Everybody will top of the screen. Yes, that's big up by themselves.
I feel like say, yeah, you know, me tell you something, you know. All along, you know, just rate you, you know, brother. That me I tell you, you know. All along, I rate me, just rate you, see me just relax.
Bro, I don't care to Jayden serious still enough. Jayden a madman, you know, man.
Ah! 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 Bumbo clot, somebody with sense there.
You know them way that in their own, so we don't know what kind of style that. You know them way that?
I fuck with style that, brother. And you want girl picnic. You don't like a man come style that at 7 Cray.
Come on, dad.
So, hold on.
Jayden no speak like a blood clot, sweet pepper. Who is him? Because of him blood clot crown and the money. He feel like he can't go disrespect people, the girl pity.
Oh,
And you say you wonder with my youth. Oh, fuck you did the style of speaker. What do you come from like him and talk about be your own clothes speaker Avan? If a church clothes, I saw him and disrespect me like a blood clot. So if you want disrespect your little girl stuff.
No, me not take no set. Me not take no set. No, me, bro. Me literally, me literally not take no set, bro. Me literally not, bro. If Meka did dress good, bro, would I say Meka dress good? Just like how me say Chanel dress good. Anybody me fear take set pan a Chanel. Anybody me fear take set pan a Chanel, bro. So, what the fuck me I take set pan Meka for? Guys, me say it before now, guys. Me say it before. Them I go vex when me do that review, yeah. But it's the truth. Even Meka come say it. Her bum buckle herself, so she don't look good. So well on. So she not gonna cost Meka for company media for she own herself don't look good then. Even Meka come say it. Even Meka come say she don't look good, bro. So what Annie I say? Alright.
Because there's nothing to reason about. Because by tomorrow again you come and go this way again. I saw your blood clots there. I'm good, man. Let me have pressure. Let me tell you easy. Guys, everybody make gonna roast, so please. Now.
I'm gonna tell her what Meka do. I'm gonna tell her what me notice. I'm gonna tell her what me notice with Meka. Meka, we do something. Company media, she will look sad. Go to Annie. Explain what go on. Then make Annie look like hooligan. But Annie don't know that. I'm gonna tell her. Cause why y'all ball? Me not understand why y'all ball. Why the fuck y'all ball? Why y'all ball? Why y'all ball? Mama, why y'all ball? Cause you like me. That no mean say you have to company, bro. First thing first. Me. Let me tell you the reason why you're bad. You like me. And you hear say Jayden unfollow you. Cause people them go over there and tell you say Jayden unfollow you. You see it. So when you use that video there, if you say that you're ball over. I'm not smart. I'm not fucking smart, bro. I'm not fucking smart. And how comes we get to the using part? When I come talk about me use you till it reach a Jayden fucking you. Oh we reach this so. Oh we reach this so. You know, sister, we're not smart. School! 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 School, man! School! Remember when Annie said, Jayden always inspire me. Jayden always do this. And I just respect Jayden. Because Jayden always giving me so all of this come now. We reach Yasso. We reach Yasso. till all who know talk about all me crown, but me have money. Me tell you me have money. Me and Meka didn't do nothing. My hood never going to you. The hood are not going to you. So stop lying on my thing. Do not tell any lie on my thing. I don't want you to tell any lie on my thing. Me there at the car door. Me there at the car door. I chat to Annie. Take time. Just calm down, calm down, calm down. Just calm down. Calm down, mama, calm down. And what go on? The power medication, I take it for me teeth. So how me use you? When you push up yourself. How me use you, bro? Bro, I'm tired phone and try me look like a bumbo clot. Use up on the upper when you come out to woman, bro. I'm tired on the bumbo clot now, bro. I'm tired, bro. Me I get blamed for too much things what I do, bro. I'm tired that I get blamed for things what I do, dog. What the fuck me use her for? For what? I didn't want to run a joke, because I could have said delivery. You see, I like it, Annie, so I don't run joke about them there. I don't run a joke about them there again. What me I use you for? For what? Bro, me just tired, bro. Me just tired, bro. If you get bumbo clot. Get this for some things what me not do, bro. Me tired that, bro. Now I'm like a bad person, bro. And if me ask what you have for offer now, you not gonna say me a this, no, bro. I'm not gonna run no delivery joke. You see, me can run one next delivery joke again. And I'm not gonna run it because Annie says she don't like it. I'm not gonna disrespect Annie. You know why I'm not gonna disrespect Annie? Bro, militarily, bro. If you no cannot take joke, bro, you no come off of the media, bro. You cannot take joke, bro. Get off the fucking media. If me did wish, if me didn't mean Annie bad, bro, you feel like me da go to Annie every fucking day, and I tell you say Annie you dey on live from morning till night. And you still not in a top 10, you're a waste of time. Every fucking day I tell Annie that. So how me no want better for you, bro? How that, bro? If me can come and say, yo, if World Dog this Annie, we are going to have a problem. I remember say World Dog more dirty. And you have a big platform. And me no need to prove. Me no need to prove say me no good enough. Me no need to prove that, you know. Me no need to prove that over and over again, bro. Use her for what? Una bumbuckler talk about word. Una use word. Use her for what? Views? My life ever full. And a regular I'm go over on the live, bro. I'm see 500 people over on the live, bro. One thing I can't think about still. I'm not gonna run that joke there. You see? Me not gonna run that joke there, bro. Me not gonna run that joke there, bro. If me did wrong, Jabas would have come tell me something wrong. Jabas nah give me no right, bro. If me did if me did wrong, bro. If me did wrong, bro, Jabas nah give me no right. Who and her there? Me and her not there. Don't understand. Watch out. Era. And remember this? And remember the polish on you? I'm gonna make a public apology to Annie. Why not laugh, bro? Stop laughing, bro. Stop laugh, bro. I'm serious, bro. Cause Annie feel that way for you.